Joomla allows you to create your own feeds for any page on your site. While this is typically mostly used for blogs, you can create a feed for just about any type of content. Basically, any menu item can have an RSS feed, but it only makes sense where there may be a list of content published there. For example, the following can be used to build useful feeds: the front page, article section and category layouts, contact category layouts, and web link category lists. You can experiment with these different uses, but for now, let's focus on adding feeds to our newspaper site. It's remarkably easy to do this using the Smart Syndication module built into the Joomla core. Here's how to do it. Go to the Module Manager and select New. Select the Syndicate module. Now we'll go to the title of the RSS feed and set the position to the right. We'll choose the format. In this case, we'll use RSS, but you can just as easily use Atom. We prefer RSS as it is a more common name and people tend to recognize it. We can set the text for this link to RSS. Now this module will create an RSS feed based on whatever content is connected to that particular page. For example, if we put it on the home page, only articles set to display on the home page will appear. If we put it on a section layout page, all of the articles under that section will be put into that feed. So let's go ahead and set this to appear on the front page and on all of the local, national, and world news menu items. We'll apply this and have a look at the result. Okay, now we can see the RSS item appears on our front page. If we click it, we see the contents of the front page in the form of an RSS feed. Great. Now if we click on one of the news menu items, we can see that the feed reflects everything under that particular item as well. The module is even smart enough to understand as we drill down from the section into the category. It reduces what is in the feed to just what is accessible from that page. If we drill down all the way to the article, we see that the feed link is not displayed at all. This is because there is no reason to have a feed for just one article, so the module doesn't create one. It does leave a little display element here, but if we had other content in the sidebar, no one would likely notice this. So that's how to create RSS feeds or any blog or list-styled menu item. You can also do the same for the contact and web link category lists as well, if it makes sense for your site. This is a very useful module and is a must for any blog or other content you wish to syndicate.